Alright, you got Orangeburg pipe out there. Are you familiar with Orangeburg pipe?
No.
Well, it's paper pipe. It's made out of paper with saturated in bituminous. You see that bubble there? Bituminous tar. And it was installed in the 30s, 40s. Look at that. See how rough that is? I don't know if I want to get through there. Yeah, I got through there. See this bubble here? So the paper, like I said, it's made of paper. So over time, the paper tends to separate and you get these blisters. The problem with that is if it causes a blockage, the plumber goes in there with a snake and tries to cut everything loose. He ends up cutting that bubble and then digging out into the earth. And then you got to dig it up and replace it. It's no longer legal. So this, if you have problems, you'll have to get this replaced. Alright. See that lump blister on the top? It looks like an old clean out there. Old clean out for the Orangeburg. Right there, that big edge grabbing the camera.
What is all that?
That's the Orangeburg that's blistering. Yeah, it's poor pipe. It's in poor condition. That's why I'm bringing it to your attention. Because eventually you'll have to replace it. I mean, you can use it as long as it lasts, but eventually you're going to have to replace it. There's no way to fix that without digging it up and replacing it.